Hello everyone, in this video we will have an unboxing and my first impressions on the leather chop cup by TCC Presents. This was a Kickstarter project back in April 2020. They have started to ship and I have just received my order. We will put the cups away for now and take a look at the final load baseball. It comes in a nice looking pouch like this. It feels a little small for a final load baseball, but let's take a look. Here we have the final load baseball. Let's take a close up at the stitching. Very nice. Stitching is very nice. The ball is nice and round, but it's a little bit small to be a final load baseball compared to the Mike Rogers baseball. I think it is made for the chop cup. I mean, the size is made to fit the chop cup, but give me a minute. Okay, this is the Mike Rogers final load baseball. This is a golf ball. The size, as you can see, is between a golf ball. It's slightly larger than a golf ball. Slightly larger than a golf ball, but smaller than a Mike Rogers final load baseball. Okay, now let's move to the unboxing of the chop cup. I purchased one in each color, so we'll put one to the side and take a look at this one. Packaging is very nice. Nice hard case. And now slowly open. And there you have the leather chop cup. Very nice packaging. The pouch comes in the cup. At first impressions, you will see that the mouth is not perfectly round because it's made of leather. It's soft. Okay. The ad copy says that this color is blue. It's hard to see with my black close-up mat, but you can see it's a very dark navy blue color. Very nice. Stitching is very nice. Okay, and we will take a look at the bag you get. Very nice material, very soft. And inside you will have the two mini baseballs. And check out mini baseballs, very nice. Stitching is very nice. Okay. We now move on to the unboxing of the other brown color chop cup. Incidentally, I just realized that the ribbon, the pull tab here, denotes the color of the chop cup. So this is the brown one. in There we have it, the brown chop cup. First impressions, I like this color better than the blue one. Again, the same carrying bag with two balls, one chop and one regular. Put this to the side. And here we have the brown leather chop cup. Very nice stitching. The comparison with the blue. Now back to the final load ball. Let's see if the size, right, the final load ball fits perfectly. Okay, let's compare the Mike Rogers baseball. Okay, the Mike Rogers baseball does not fit in the TCC leather chop cup. That's why the balls, final load balls, are slightly smaller. See? I changed to a different mat so that you can have a clearer look at the blue leather cup as compared to the brown one. For those that have not received the cup, I'm sure that they will be arriving very soon. That's all for this quick look at the leather chop cup by TCC Presents. Thank you for watching.